My first numbers with Carrie. The hen on the hunt for her 9 chicks. The hen on the hunt for her 9 chicks. Story by Céline Lamour-Crochet and illustrations by Jessica Sicolon. Carrie, a young mother hen, must have fallen asleep while her chicks were napping. When she wakes up, her chicks are nowhere to be found. Where have they gone? Worried, the mother hen heads out to look for them. There is no time to lose, as she has an important meeting to get to. She really must not be late. On her way out of the hen house, she bumps straight into one of the chicks.
Ah, there you are. Follow me,
She says.
We're in a rush.
In the farmyard, the rooster calls out, Carrie, could you please ask your chick to get off me back? The hen grabs her little one, and she and the 2 chicks go on their way. On the path that leads down to the meadow, Carrie comes across the sheep.
Have you seen my children?
She asks. The sheep points to a chick playing with her lamb. So now the hen has found 3 of her chicks. Looking upwards, she spots another chick perched on a branch.
Come back down now, you little daredevil. We're in a hurry.
The hen continues on her way with 4 chicks in tow. In the meadow, the hen discovers another chick hopping around on the gate.
Jump, my brave little thing,
She says.
and let's get a move on.
The hen has now found 5 of her chicks.
There's another one hiding behind the haystack, Carrie.
The hen thanks her friend, calls her little one, and moves on with 6 chicks in tow.
Oh no!
Carrie exclaims when she finds chick number 7, who has been rolling around in the mud with the pig.
You're all dirty.
But we've had a great time, adds the pig. Another chick, covered in dry earth, pokes his beak out from behind the piglets.
Let's get you straight to the pond for a good wash,
States Carrie sternly. She heads off, followed by her 8 chicks. In the pond, the mother duck is out for a swim with her ducklings and a chick. What a relief! Carrie couldn't be happier. She finally has found all 9 of her chicks. They all plunge into the water for a swim and a wash, under the watchful eye of their young mother hen.
Come on, hurry up now and dry off. I really don't want to be late,
She commands. The chicks wonder why their mother is in such a rush. The hen races back through the farmyard with her 9 chicks in hot pursuit. They reach the hen house just in time to see the last egg hatching. The shell gradually splits open, and out pops chick number 10. Carrie is so happy. Now she has 10 little chicks. 10 chicks to amuse themselves playing hide and seek on the farm. The end.